Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Klarus. Now this here is their XT11GT Pro. Now I was sent this by Klarus directly. They wanted me to test and review. This light comes in this box. So now let's go ahead and concentrate here on the back of the box. And as you can see there, puts out 2,200 lumens on the highest output. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get this open, see what's in. Box of accessories here. USB charging cable, that is a Type C. One lanyard and one O-ring. Here's the user manual. Front and back. Now this is what I like. I like to see lights come in the holster. Better protection than the plastic molded pieces that they come in. You gotta pop it out of there. And in transport, those little plastic molded pieces that the light sits in sometimes will start to rub in the area where it's holding it and cause blemishes. They're not scratches, but they are little blemishes. So right away we'll start off with the holster since it's in there. Nice D-ring on here. This is plastic. Double stitched material. Very nice, thick. You got a quick release that you can do there. Nice quality on the holster. Lined on the inside as well. Yeah, very nice quality on the holster. It's good to see. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. And there it is. Now I like the way they did this here. It's got the stainless steel bezel on there that's black. Got some areas here on the head of the light that'll keep it from rolling. And also your clip will help as well. Some people don't want it on there. You can remove it. No real heat sinking on this light. Like the way the grooves on the body go all the way around. Help with gripping the light. Here's the charging port here. Little lever here, power switch, definitely tactical in mind. I really like the style and design on this, very nice. Clip does have some good resistance on there, pretty stiff. The machining and finish on this is very nice. No issues whatsoever with this. Now this is a complete kit, comes with a battery, so that's nice. So now let's go ahead and take a look here at the deep smooth reflector. Now this is running the Cree XHP35HD LED. Try to get a good close-up of that for you. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the battery that it comes with. There's the tail spring, pretty heavy duty. Do have a little bit of grease there on the O-ring. There is a protection piece here you want to remove. Here's the battery that it comes with, which is an 18650 3100 milliamp, very powerful battery. This is a protected cell. This is a 20 amp cell, probably only 15 amp on the protection. So it'll be more than powerful enough to run this light. Just thought I'd show you that. Now we'll go ahead, get this back together, and let's go through the UI. UI, of course, starts right there. You have the lever here to go through those light outputs. Blinding light, you can use it as a pressure switch as well. Great for law enforcement, tactical applications. Once you have it there, full press if you don't accidentally hit this. Okay, now you do also have a battery level indicator right here. Kind of show you the battery level for the first few seconds when you turn on the light. Now you can activate the light also by using the lever, just like that. And now you're going up through the UI. Press and hold that down, shuts it off. Now if you do the power switch, you now are going to go down through the UI. A little bit different there. So you have that all in one grip right here with your thumb. Really easy to operate that. Now in order to switch modes, you're going to press that, and press down and hold the lever. Will get you SOS. And that is at a lower light output. That'll help increase the runtime. Great for emergencies. And you can now simply click that one time. This does not have memory mode, especially on the toggle switch. It always starts off on the lowest light output. Though having the lowest light output there and the highest is definitely something that I would use personally. Really like the fact that you can choose between those two. Now no memory mode on this, so that's not a big deal to me, but definitely very nice beam performance, solid build quality on this as well. So let's wait no further. Let's take this bad boy out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Klarus XT11GT Pro. We're going to start off on the highest output and then we'll go down through the UI. Tree is 138 feet from where I'm standing, which is known as the Tree of Life. All coming from this little light. And faintly making that first tree. Before and after here. I'll give you an idea. Impressive range, good beam quality, 238 feet to that tree behind this tree from where I'm standing. Easily making it across the park to those parks out there. Man, tree line, fence line, looks great. Now it's going to cycle down like it already has. So we're going to go ahead and go down to the UI. There's the next level down. Cycles down. Still very much usable light output here. More than enough for most situations. And there's another level down. "35 feet to that water spout. 65 feet to this tree here from where I'm standing. Still making that tree there, even on this light output. And there's the lowest light output there. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Perfect size for tactical use. Definitely very nice quality beam on this. Huge amount of light output, especially for most applications, especially tactical. It's got some good range on there. It's got some options that you can use between two groups. The one I shown you is the one I like the best, and it's super easy to change from one to another. It's up to you. Very nice on the build quality as well, which you come to expect from Klarus. Now the fact that they did ship it in the holster was a big plus. Really like when flashlight companies do that, because there's nothing better to transport that light in than the holster itself. So very nice performance, especially from that Cree XHP35 LED. Very nice quality LED. Now I want to thank Klarus for sending me this XT11GT Pro. Now if this kit is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description. Also working on a special discount code, help you save some money on this as well, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from Klarus to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.